Welcome, everyone. Hello and welcome back to your health partner. I'm so excited you're here today. If you're new to this channel, hi, I'm your health partner. Here, we explore safe, easy, and effective ways to improve your well-being after 60. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a tip that could transform your health and happiness. Today, we're diving into an often overlooked ingredient you probably already have in your kitchen cabinet, baking soda. That's right, something as simple as baking soda can help improve your circulation and even boost intimacy after 60. Whether you're looking to feel more energized, support your heart health, or revive the spark in your relationship, you'll want to stay tuned for these expert insights. Section 1. Why circulation matters after 60. As we age, our bodies undergo a host of changes. One of the most important is a gradual decline in circulation. Good blood flow delivers oxygen, nutrients, and hormones to every cell in your body. Poor circulation can lead to cold hands and feet, fatigue, muscle cramps, and even cognitive fog. For intimate health, circulation is crucial. It supports natural arousal by ensuring the tissues in the genital area receive adequate blood supply. Renowned health influencers like Dr. Andrew Weil and Nurse Debbie Silk have emphasized that supporting circulation is a cornerstone of healthy aging. By addressing circulation, we can help preserve energy levels, support heart health, and enhance overall vitality. That's why it's such a game changer to incorporate simple strategies, like the right use of baking soda, into your daily routine. Section 2. The science behind baking soda. So, how can baking soda, a humble pantry staple, influence circulation? Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a mild alkaline compound. In the body, it helps balance pH levels, supporting proper enzyme function and reducing metabolic waste buildup. When our pH balance is off, our blood can become more acidic, which can impair circulation and reduce oxygen delivery. A study published in the Journal of Applied Physiology showed that sodium bicarbonate supplementation can improve blood flow during exercise by reducing acidity buildup in muscles. By decreasing lactic acid accumulation, muscles receive more oxygen, and blood vessels stay relaxed, promoting better overall flow. While that study focused on younger adults during intense exercise, the underlying principle, a balanced pH supports healthy circulation, applies all the more to those over 60. Section 3. Preparing your baking soda protocol. Alright, let's get practical. Here's how to set up a daily baking soda-based protocol. We recommend starting with a small dose, about 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda mixed into a glass of water or herbal tea. Drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. The alkalizing effect will support your body throughout the day. On days you feel particularly fatigued or notice cold extremities, you can increase to half a teaspoon. Just be mindful of total sodium intake if you're watching your blood pressure. By spreading out your intake, morning and early afternoon, you help your body maintain an optimal pH without overwhelming your kidneys. Section 4. Boosting intimacy naturally. Improving circulation doesn't just benefit your heart and muscles. It's vital for healthy sexual function. After 60, many face challenges such as reduced arousal or difficulty achieving firmness and sensation. But by supporting vascular health, you can often reignite that spark. Alongside your baking soda routine, consider daily gentle exercise, walking, tai chi, or water aerobics, to get blood pumping to your extremities. Pair this with mindful breathing or yoga poses that encourage pelvic floor relaxation, such as child's pose or gentle bridges. Section 5. Supercharging with nutrient synergy. While baking soda is powerful, it packs an even bigger punch when combined with specific nutrients that support endothelial function. Think of vitamin C, vitamin E, and L-arginine. Vitamin C, found in citrus fruits and bell peppers, helps maintain collagen in vessel walls. Vitamin E, from nuts and seeds, protects against oxidative damage. L-arginine, an amino acid in lean meats, nuts, and legumes, is the precursor to nitric oxide, a key vasodilator. Consider adding a daily green smoothie with spinach, berries, a scoop of soy or pea protein, and a squeeze of lemon. Take your baking soda first thing, then enjoy this nutrient boost mid-morning. You might be wondering if baking soda is safe long-term. The truth is, most people tolerate low doses well. However, if you have kidney issues or are on a strict low-sodium diet, talk to your doctor first. Always monitor for any signs of bloating or discomfort. Some ask whether flavored teas or juices can mask the taste. Absolutely, just ensure they're low in sugar. Herbal teas like peppermint or chamomile work beautifully. Lifestyle tips to enhance results. Besides baking soda, consider these lifestyle elements. Incorporate dry brushing before your morning shower to stimulate lymphatic flow. Practice deep diaphragmatic breathing, 5 minutes 3 times a day, to oxygenate blood. Stay hydrated by aiming for half your body weight in ounces of water daily. And don't forget the mind-body connection. Stress can constrict vessels. Daily meditation, journaling, or a gratitude practice can keep cortisol in check, promoting consistent blood flow. Practical demonstration, at home. Now, I'll walk you through preparing your morning alkalizing tonic. Take a clean glass, add 8 ounces of room temperature water. Stir in a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda until fully dissolved. If desired, add a slice of lemon or a drop of stevia. Sip slowly and enjoy. Notice how your body feels calmer, with a sense of internal refreshment. Make this a ritual, your first self-care moment each day. To recap, start each morning with a baking soda tonic. Complement it with a nutrient-rich breakfast or green smoothie. Engage in daily movement that you love. Prioritize circulation-boosting exercises and stress management techniques. Stay consistent for at least 4 weeks to notice real effects. And remember, improving circulation is the foundation for sustained energy, heart health, and intimacy after 60. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found these insights helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends, and of course, subscribe to your health partner. Hit that notification bell so we can continue bringing you life-enhancing tips every week. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with baking soda, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. Here's to vibrant health and joyful connection, at any age. See you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay happy, and remember, you're never too old to feel great.